In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create password in Smallpdf app for MyPDF. We'll start by opening a web browser and going to smallpdf.com. This site offers a simple web-based set of tools for working with PDFs, and the Protect PDF feature is what we'll use to lock your file with a password. On the home page, look for the Login button, usually in the top right. Click that to sign in. If you're already logged in, you may be taken straight to your account. Otherwise, choose Continue with Google to quickly authenticate without creating a new password for Smallpdf. When the Google prompt appears, select your account and complete the sign-in. If you don't see the prompt, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Once you're signed in, find the Protect PDF tool. You can click it from the home page or search for it in the Tools list. This tool is designed specifically to encrypt your PDF, so it requires a password to open. Now upload your PDF. You can drag and drop the file into the window, or click to choose it from your computer. As a tip, it's smart to keep an unlocked copy stored safely, just in case you need to make edits later. The Protect tool is meant for the final version you plan to share or store securely. When the password screen appears, type a strong password. A good approach is a memorable passphrase with 12 or more characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal information and anything you reuse elsewhere. Consider saving it in a reputable password manager so you won't lose it. Next, confirm the password by typing it again exactly. This step prevents typos that could lock you out of your own document. Click Protect to apply the encryption. Smallpdf will process your file for a moment. After it finishes, the service secures the PDF so that anyone who tries to open it will be prompted for the password. Keep in mind that if you forget the password, it typically cannot be recovered, so store it carefully and share it only with people you trust. Finally, click Download to save the protected file to your computer. Choose a folder you'll remember and consider adding Protected to the file name so it's clear which version is locked. The next time you open this PDF, your viewer will ask for the password you set, confirming that the protection is in place. And that's it. You've successfully created a password for your PDF using the Smallpdf app.